So we're in the potato industry. Here we have a big fresh pack where we're just sending potatoes to restaurants, grocery stores, things like that. We just acquired a couple more companies. We've doubled the workforce, and we are actually in the middle of updating plants, building new plants, and there's gonna be a lot of automation, a lot of robotics.
Somebody has to fix this stuff. Technology keeps advancing. We can replace people with robots and different things, but there's always got to be somebody to fix the robots. Yeah, and it feels great to be able to get in there and find a problem and get things back up and running.
One of our current plant managers, he actually started out as a maintenance technician and he runs a whole plant now. Lots of opportunity for growth in maintenance and company-wide.
That's the biggest thing. I mean, all the people are really awesome to work with.
And we're really looking to partner with CSI so we can get local talent who knows the skills, has the proper training and educational background. Now we just need someone who's ready to hit the ground running and really help us fast track the growth that we're having right now.